Hello students, this is Neha Mathur and today in this video we are going to continue conversions of number system from number system series. But before starting the topic, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Fine. So as I am going to start the video, as I already told you about the basics of the number system, that we have four type of number systems in which we have binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal as well. Now the next is the conversion of one number system into another is an important consideration. In my last video I already discussed how we can convert any binary number into relevant other number systems like binary to decimal, binary to octal and binary to others, binary to hexadecimal. So the conversion of binary number system into others is already completed. Now today I will discuss how we can convert. This is I am mentioning over here second because this is the second type of conversion in which I am going to discuss how we can convert octal into other number system. So we will start one by one, in which firstly I will tell you the conversion of octal into decimal. If you have a given number, which that given number is in octal form, which means you may have that number with having base 8 and you want to convert that number into decimal having base 10. So what will be the process? See, as I already told you that there is no need to learn all the steps which we are going to follow over here. We will take some simple examples and just by solving those examples we will try to understand what will be the process for the conversion of octal into decimal. So again today I am taking one example in which I have a number which is 264. You can take any number. Just remember one thing, that if this is an octal number, then the digits in this number should between 0 to 7. So here I have 264, which itself indicating that this is an octal number and base having 8. Now the next is how we can convert that number into decimal. See, the process is going to be same like binary to decimal. Instead of taking 2 as a multiplier, here we have to take 8 as a multiplier to multiply each digit of a given number so that we can convert that number into decimal number system. Just I am mentioning over here, you have a number 264 in which you have 2 digits. So the best part is firstly write individual digits separately. After that you will have to multiply each digits by 8 and then you will have to apply multiplier, and that multiplier starting from 0 and will start from 0, 1, 2 like this. So it will be 0, 1 and 2 and now we have to add all the numbers. So this is going to be the process. So now if we are going to solve that number, what will be the process? 2 multiplied by 8 into 8, 64 plus 6 into 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 0, which means 1. So 2 into 64, it will be 128 plus 6 4 ja 48 plus 4. So your answer will be 128 plus 48 plus 4 and it will be 180 having base 10. So remember, always remember one thing, that if you have a given octal number and you want to convert that octal number into decimal, in that case you will have to firstly you will have to simply separate out all the digits. After that multiply all the digits by 8. Why I am taking 8? Because the base of that given number is 8. After that you will have to apply powers and the power will start from right to left from 0 and it is going to be increases like 0, 1, 2. If you have more digit, it will be 3, 4, 5 and so on. After that you will have to make it simplify and the answer will be like this. So this is a basic example in which you can convert your octal number into decimal. So now I am taking one more example. This is going to be a mixed number in which you will have integer as well as fractional part, and in that case how you can convert that octal number into decimal. So I am changing the number and now the number is a mixed number. Mixed means you will have integer as well as fractional part in a given number, and the number is like this: 365.24. So here you can see that this number is a mixed number in which you have an integer as well as fractional part. Now you want to convert that number into decimal. Again the process will be same, no need to worry about anything. Just separate out all the digits like this. 5 point, so you can make it point like this, 2 and 4. After that you will have to multiply each digit by 8. After that, as I told you, that you will have to apply powers over 8, and they will be in the form of, they will always start from right to left, but always remember that if you have a mixed number, in that case you will have to consider one more concept, which is if you have a decimal means point over here, in that case power is going to be start from 0, 1, 2, and over the right term it will be -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. After that you will have to add all the digits as we are doing earlier. Fine. So this is the basic concept. I am again repeating, if you have a number in which you have a point, that means you will have to apply power for integer number separately as well as for fractional number separately. Just left in if you have a point, then in the left sections the powers will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on, and for the right section the power will start from -1, -2, -3 and so on. So now the next is the solution of the concept, and it will be 8 8 is 64 plus 6 into 8 plus 5 into 1 multiplied by 2 by 8, 8 inverse means 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8 minus 2 means 8 square, 8 8 is 64. So now you will have to simplify that expression, and it is 6 8 is 48 plus 5, and this will be 0.25 plus 4 divided by 64, it will be 0.0625. Now just add all the numbers, 192 plus 48 plus 5, it will be 245, the point over here, and from the right section you will get 0.3125. So your answer will be like this, 245 the addition of all the three number and 0.3125 the addition of both the numbers. So this will be your answer, 245.3125 having base 10. So this is the basic concept. By using that concept you can convert any octal number, whether it is a simple integer or it is a mixed number, into decimal number. So this is all about the octal to decimal. Similarly we will go with octal to binary and then octal to hexadecimal. So the next is octal to binary. Given number having base 8 and you want to convert that number into a number system having base 2. So again I am taking one example. Just by solving that example you can understand what will be the concept for this conversion. So I am taking one example, and then example is 364 again having base 8, and I want to convert that into a binary number having base 2. So what will be the process? This is going to be interesting. See, remember one thing, this is a little bit tricky concept, or I can say that this is a little bit different concept for the conversion of octal into binary. So you will have to keep that in your mind properly. So you can firstly, what you can do, just write down the given number. You have a number 364, just write down the given number. After that you will have to convert, you will have to I can say that you will have to deal with individual number for the conversion of that number into binary. Just an example, now you will have to convert this 3 into binary, this 6 into binary, and this 4 into binary individually. So the simple 2 steps, just by following simple 2 steps you can solve the question, and the steps are: firstly write all the 3 digits individually. After that, in the second step you will have to deal all the digits individually. So for that you will have to convert 3 into decimal individually. Similarly 6 into a number having base 2 and 4 into a number system having base 2. So you will have to convert individual digit into binary number system, and for that as I already told you that you have a simple method, that just take 4 to 1 as a short trick. Now you want 3 And how I can get 3? When I am going to add 2 and 1. So the conversion of 3 into binary number will be 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now come with the next. How you can get 6? When I am going to add 4 and 2. So it will be 1 1 and 0, because 4 and 2 is going to be used, because 4 plus 2 will be 6 and 1, no need to add 1, so it will be 0. So the conversion will be 1 1 0. Similarly, the last step is 4, and you can get this 4 just by using this one. So your answer will be 1 0 0. So now you can see that this is a simple method in which you just converted individual digits into relevant binary numbers, and after merging all the numbers like this, you will get your final answer. So this is the final answer, in which you can say that you already converted 364 into a binary number system. Sorry. Fine. So I hope you are getting the concept. Now the next and the last conversion of octal into others is octal to hexadecimal. So now I am taking another example. See, octal to hexadecimal conversion is little bit difficult, because it is not possible to convert any octal number system into hexadecimal directly. For that you will have to take help of two conversions. Just like what I am trying to say, for the conversion of octal into hexadecimal, firstly you will have to convert that octal number into binary number system. After that, that binary is going to be converted into hexadecimal. So the direct conversion of octal to hexadecimal is not possible. You will have to follow a hierarchy. For that we have to convert octal into binary first, which I just told you in the last conversion from octal into binary, and after that you will have to convert binary into hexadecimal, which I already told you in my last video, in which I told you how you can convert any binary number system into others. So now I am taking a simple example. Just I am taking 436. This is a simple octal number having base 8, and you want to convert that number into hexadecimal, means 16. So as I told you that it is not possible that we can directly convert that number into 16. So firstly I will have to convert that 436 having base 8 into binary. Fine. And you already know that what will be the process for this conversion. You will have to individually deal with the digits like this, and then you will have to individually convert into binary numbers. And for that the simple concept is 4 to 1. So for this 4 you can write, using this basic concept you can write that I can obtain this 4 when I am using this one. So your answer will be 1 0 0. Similarly for 3 you can see that just by using this 2 and this 1 you can get your 3. 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. So it will be 0 1 1 0 1 1. And for the 6, what you can get, you can do, you will have to just add this 4 and 2. So it will be 1 1 0 1 1 0. So the simple conversion of octal into binary will be 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 base 2. Now in the next step you will have to convert that binary number into octal, binary to hexa. And what will be the process for that? You have a 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 having base 2, and you want to convert that number into 16. So I already told you in my last video that if you want to convert binary number system into hexadecimal, in that case you will have to make a group of 4 digits from right to left like this, and your number is 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Fine. And you want to convert that number into hexadecimal, and for that you will have to simply make a group of 4 digits from right to left. So this will be your first group, this will be your second group. Now this 1 is a single digit, and since I want to make a group of 4 digits, I have a best option that I can add 3 zeros over here, so that it can again become a group of 3 digits. So 4 digits. So now I have a 3 group each group having 4 digits. After that, you will have to convert individual group into relevant hexadecimal. Simply using 8421, you can convert individual group into relevant number system, and it for the first group you have 1110. So using 8421, you have 1110, which means this one and this one. These 3 digits is going to be added. 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14. So the first group is going to provide 14. Similarly, for the second group, you have 0001, which means this one is going to be used over here. So the answer will be only 1. And similarly, for the third group, you have a 0001 and again 1. So your answer will be 1 1. 14 is not a valid number to represent any hexadecimal. For that we use A, B, C, D, E, F. So for 14 we'll have starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, 10, 11, 12, 13 or 14. E. So your final answer is 11E. So if you want to convert any octal number into hexadecimal, you will have to follow 2 steps. In the first step, firstly you will have to convert that octal into binary, as I am doing over here. For that you will have to take individual digit, you will have to deal with individual digit. After that individual conversion takes place. So this will be your answer. And the second step, you can directly convert that binary into hexadecimal, and for that you will have to make a group of 4 digits starting from right to left. So this will be the process, and this is your answer. So this is all about how you can convert any octal number system into others. You can convert octal into binary, octal into decimal, octal into hexadecimal as well. So fine. So this is all about the conversion of octal into others. I hope you are following the concept. If you are following, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. I will suggest you that you should solve more questions. If you are getting some doubt, if you are facing some problems, you can mention that in the comment box. I will try to give you a proper solution of that question in the next video. Fine. Thank you.